Hello, my dear children. Happy New Year. Did you enjoy your holidays? Huh? Very good. Now I welcome you to our fifth lesson of English. It is a poem named On the Water. In this poem, poet tells about the joy of traveling by boat. Have you ever traveled in boat? Did you think traveling in boat is enjoyable? Let us see what the poet think of it. The poem goes like this. In the little boat to glide on the water blue and wide, while the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight?
Meaning of difficult words. Glide means to move smoothly. Delight means happiness. Dear children, in first stanza, the poet begins by telling us that he is in a boat and the boat is gliding away on the river. The river is wide and its water is blue and the sky is clear and bright. In other words, the poet wants to tell us that it is a beautiful day. Poet also asks a question that what else could give us more happiness than this beautiful day and the clear blue water of the river?
Second stanza. See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected, we can see shadows of each hill and tree.
Ripples means small waves on the surface of water. Reflected means shown in the water. In this stanza, the poet is pointing to the ripples and telling us to watch how they are shining brightly in the sun rays as they move on the surface of water. The clear water of the river is reflecting the image of all the hills and trees.
Third stanza. See the lilies round and large, floating near the reedy marsh, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze.
Lily means plants with large white flowers. Reedy means long thin grass. Marge means edge or border. Reedy marge means thin grass that can be seen at the edge or border of river or lake. Bulrush and water maize are plants that grow near water. In this stanza, the poet is telling us to see the large round lilies that are floating near the edge of the river that is full of reeds. And the poet tells us that we can also find the other water plants like the bulrush and water maize.
Fourth stanza. See the great green dragonfly and the swallows skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam, ere they splash into the stream.
Dragonfly is an insect. Swallow is a bird with long pointed wings. Skimming means move quickly. In this stanza, the poet is pointing at the dragonfly and the swallow that are skimming the water of the river. The poet is also advising us to quickly watch the fishes that are shining as they jump about before they dive back into the river and disappear.
Last stanza. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat, on the water whilst we float.
Kingfisher is a bird with long beak that lives near water and catches fish. Whilst means while. Dart means to move suddenly and quickly. In the last stanza, The poet is telling us to see the kingfisher bird as it darts about in search of fishes. The poet ends the poem by saying that these insects, birds, fishes, plants, trees, and hills are all around him as they move in their boat.
Children, I hope you all understood the poem. Read the poem 2 times. Okay? See you in the next class. Bye bye.